Hey everybody, welcome back to another quick 1-minute tutorial. In today's guide, I'm going to show you how to delete your YouTube video from YouTube permanently. First, I'm going to show you how to do it on desktop, and then I'll show you how to do it on mobile, coming up. On my PC, so I'm at Google. Of course, you're going to want to head over to YouTube and make sure you're logged into the account you wish to delete the video from. On the right here, where your profile icon is, once you're logged in, select that, and then head down to YouTube Studio. Once that loads up, you're going to head over here to the left to Content. Once all your videos upload like this, all you're going to have to do is select these three little dots, Options, select that, and head down to Delete Forever. It will probably give you a prompt to confirm it, and that's all there is to do it on desktop. Now I'll show you how to do it on mobile, which is slightly different. All right, everyone, we're currently on my phone. Of course, make sure you have the YouTube app installed. Make sure it's updated if you haven't updated it in a while. We're going to launch the app, and down here in the bottom right-hand corner where you have your profile, you're going to want to make sure you're logged in. Once you're logged in, select your profile icon, and then you're going to want to select View Channel up here below your channel name. Once that uploads, you're going to select Manage Videos right here. Once all your videos upload, on the right of each video, you got three little dots, select those. And as you can see at the bottom here, there is a delete option. Bear in mind, once these are deleted off YouTube, they are permanently deleted. So bear that in mind. Hope you found this video informative. We'll see you in the next one.